1513, when Piri Reis drew the map, Antarctica had not been discovered. In fact, it wasn't discovered until 1818 by our civilization. It's based on more than 20 earlier source maps, which Piri Reis told us went back in some cases to before the time of Christ.
In the annals of history, there exist enigmas that continue to baffle and captivate the minds of scholars and adventurers alike. Among these mysteries lies the intriguing tale of the ancient map that purportedly reveals Antarctica's verdant past, a land cloaked in lush jungles teeming with life. But how could this icy continent, known for its frigid temperatures and barren landscapes, have once been a tropical paradise? The notion of Antarctica as a jungle is not merely a flight of fancy. It is grounded in compelling evidence unearthed by intrepid explorers and researchers over the years. While mainstream science has long viewed Antarctica as a frozen wasteland, there are historical accounts and geological findings that suggest otherwise. From the intrepid voyages of early explorers to the groundbreaking discoveries of modern scientists, Antarctica has been a tantalizing enigma shrouded in ice and mystery. But what if beneath the frozen surface lies evidence of a forgotten world? A world where ancient civilizations thrived amidst lush vegetation and abundant wildlife. According to geological evidence, Antarctica was not always the frozen expanse we know today. Millions of years ago, during the time of the dinosaurs, this continent was situated much closer to the equator, experiencing a temperate climate conducive to the growth of forests and jungles. Fossilized remains of ancient plants and animals discovered in Antarctica provide compelling proof of its tropical past. Geological formations such as sedimentary layers and glacial striations further corroborate the theory of Antarctica's tropical past. But what became of this lush paradise? How did Antarctica transition from a tropical haven to the icy wasteland it is today? Some researchers speculate that tectonic shifts and continental drift played a role in altering Antarctica's climate, while others propose more cataclysmic events, such as asteroid impacts or volcanic eruptions. But amidst the debate and speculation, one tantalizing possibility has captured the imagination of adventurers and conspiracy theorists alike: the existence of ancient civilizations that once inhabited Antarctica's verdant jungles. Could there be truth to the rumors of lost cities and mysterious pyramids hidden beneath the ice? During expeditions to Antarctica, teams uncovered evidence of advanced civilizations that predate known history. While mainstream archaeologists remain skeptical, proponents of the ancient Antarctic civilization theory point to tantalizing clues such as the Piri Reis map, a centuries-old document that purportedly depicts Antarctica's coastline with astonishing accuracy, despite being created long before the continent was officially discovered. The Piri Reis map stands as one of history's most enigmatic artifacts, a document that has perplexed scholars and sparked endless debate since its discovery in the early 20th century. Named after its creator, the Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis, the map is celebrated for its astonishing accuracy and remarkable detail, particularly in its depiction of Antarctica, a continent that was not officially discovered until centuries later. Piri Reis was a distinguished figure in the Ottoman Empire during the early 16th century, renowned for his expertise in navigation and cartography. Born in Gallipoli around 1465, he embarked on a career that would see him rise to prominence as one of the most accomplished sailors of his time. Piri Reis's voyages took him to distant lands, where he meticulously charted coastlines and compiled maps based on his first-hand observations and the accounts of other explorers. In 1513, Piri Reis completed his most famous work, a world map that would later become known as the Piri Reis map. Created on a parchment made from gazelle skin, the map is a stunning testament to Piri Reis's skill as a cartographer and his deep understanding of the known world. Stretching across several feet in length, the map is adorned with intricate illustrations and annotations in Arabic script, providing a wealth of information about the lands and seas of the time. What sets the Piri Reis map apart from other maps of its era is its depiction of Antarctica, a continent that would remain largely unknown to European explorers for centuries to come. Remarkably, The map accurately delineates the coastline of Antarctica, complete with geographic features such as bays, rivers, and mountain ranges. Even more astonishing is the absence of ice covering the continent, suggesting that Piri Reis was privy to information that was not available to his contemporaries. The question that has intrigued historians and scholars for centuries is, how did Piri Reis create a map of Antarctica with such remarkable precision? Some have speculated that he drew upon ancient sources or relied on navigational charts passed down through generations. Others have suggested more unconventional explanations, ranging from extraterrestrial intervention to advanced knowledge of seafaring civilizations that predate known history. One of the most tantalizing theories surrounding the Piri Reis map is the idea that it is based on an earlier, even more ancient source. A source that may have originated from a time when Antarctica was not covered in ice. Proponents of this theory point to anomalies in the map's depiction of Antarctica, such as the accurate portrayal of its coastline and the absence of glacial formations, as evidence of a lost cartographic tradition that predates known history. The mystery deepens when one considers the context in which the Piri Reis map was created. In the early 16th century, European explorers were just beginning to venture into the uncharted waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, their maps often riddled with inaccuracies and conjecture. Yet here was Piri Reis presenting a map that not only showcased the known world with remarkable accuracy, but also hinted at the existence of lands that lay beyond the horizon. Over the years, researchers have scrutinized the Piri Reis map using a variety of techniques, from carbon dating to digital imaging, in an effort to unravel its secrets. While some have dismissed it as a mere curiosity or a product of medieval cartography, others have argued that it represents a genuine attempt to map the world as accurately as possible, given the knowledge and technology of the time. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting the authenticity of the Piri Reis map is its correlation with modern satellite imagery of Antarctica. In recent decades, advances in technology have allowed scientists to create detailed maps of the continent's coastline, revealing features that bear a striking resemblance to those depicted on the Piri Reis map. Critics have pointed to this as proof that Piri Reis's cartographic skills were far ahead of his time, while others remain skeptical, citing the lack of concrete evidence linking the map to a specific source or methodology. The debate surrounding the Piri Reis map shows no signs of abating, with new discoveries and interpretations fueling speculation and controversy. For some, it represents a tantalizing glimpse into a forgotten chapter of history, a time when ancient mariners charted the seas and explored the farthest reaches of the known world. For others, it remains an enigma, a puzzle whose solution may forever elude us, leaving Antarctica's secrets buried beneath layers of ice and intrigue. In the realm of speculative theories, one captivating possibility that has captured the imagination of enthusiasts and researchers alike is the notion of lost civilizations lying dormant beneath the icy expanse of Antarctica. This tantalizing hypothesis posits that, in ages past, advanced societies may have flourished in Antarctica's more hospitable climate, only to be engulfed by encroaching glaciers and buried beneath layers of ice. The idea of frozen civilizations beneath Antarctica's surface sparks intrigue and wonder, evoking visions of ancient cities and enigmatic ruins preserved in a pristine state of cryogenic suspension. Proponents of this theory draw inspiration from geological anomalies, satellite imagery, and anecdotal accounts that suggest the presence of anomalous structures or artificial formations lurking beneath the ice. One line of inquiry stems from the discovery of unusual features detected by remote sensing technologies, such as ground-penetrating radar and satellite-based ice-penetrating radar. These instruments have revealed enigmatic patterns and shapes beneath the ice, prompting speculation about their possible origins. Could they be the remnants of ancient settlements or infrastructure, buried beneath millennia of accumulated snow and ice? Additionally, there are reports of anomalous artifacts and structures discovered by explorers and researchers in Antarctica, though their authenticity and significance remain subject to debate. Tales of pyramidal formations, megalithic structures, and even purported entrances to subglacial caverns have fueled speculation about the existence of hidden enclaves waiting to be uncovered. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Antarctica's past, one cannot help but ponder. Could there be more to this frozen continent than meets the eye? What secrets lie hidden beneath the ice waiting to be uncovered? And perhaps most provocatively, what implications might the revelations hold for our understanding of ancient civilizations and the history of our planet?